What's the meaning of caraway? Caraway. Caraway.
Caraway. Caraway. Caraway refers to a biennial plant of the Apiaceae family, native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. It is cultivated for its seeds, which are used as a spice in various cuisines worldwide, particularly in German, Austrian, and Scandinavian cooking. The seeds have a distinctive anise-like flavor and are commonly used in bread, cheese, and sauerkraut dishes. Caraway seeds are also believed to have digestive and medicinal properties and are used in traditional medicine to treat ailments such as indigestion and respiratory issues. Overall, caraway is a versatile spice with a rich cultural and culinary history.